Where do you think publishing is heading? What is the future of publishing?
I'd say something scurrilous, but I don't know if I know enough about publishing nowadays to say with any kind of certainty where it would be going. I mean, I probably say the same things everyone else is saying. It seems to me that e-publishing is growing. I don't know where the money is going to come from. That's the thing that most concerns a writer like me.
Right.
So small presses seem to be taking the place of the mid-list that used to exist in the major publishers. But aside from that, I don't know that I got anything.
And what do you think the future of genre is? As somebody who's fought to have genre recognized in the Academy and have more crossover?
Well, I think there always will be something that is, for example, science fiction